and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. But yeah, Rico and I are over.
So sorry, guys. Since when? Okay na ba mag-share ka, Marcos? Kasi parang emotional.
It's fresh. It's been a few weeks. Loneliest and happiest weeks I've ever experienced in my life.
I know, may pinagdadaanan ka nga. Pero paano ka nag-cope up ngayon?
Nanonood lang ako ng Bluey. Ayun lang. Well, wala nang tanong, but nangyari? Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas ng isang statement lang kasi hindi ganun kadali. Sobrang complicated niya ang situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything. So 5 years namin together, we were always on the same page. Always on the same page. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I turned to the next page and saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions of who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yan, change is either good or bad. But what I hate about change is that it's inevitable.